Hello, and welcome to another episode of Fourlane Reports. My name's Tommy, and today we're going to be taking a look at a sales and payment percentage report that we made here at Fourlane. It's fairly straightforward, but we'll go through each column here. First one is our customer column. So that brings in the customer full name, including the job. And we've got our invoice column. This totals up all the invoices that have been issued to this customer. And if they had credit memos or payments, you would subtract those out to get our payment due. And then we have our payments made column. Then we use our payments made and our payments due columns to calculate the payment percentage. We also have our last invoice dollar amount. We've got our last invoice date. We have our last payment amount and the last payment date. We kept it pretty simple with our filters. All we have is a customer filter here, but we could customize this with date filters or sales rep filters or anything you can come up with. Everything in here is fully customizable. So if you don't like what you see, let us know and we can work something up for you. Thank you very much and have a great day.